Today, we're diving into the Intel D525MW desktop motherboard, an exceptional piece of hardware designed for compact and efficient personal computing. This motherboard, branded by Intel, features the Intel Atom D525 CPU socket, making it a stellar choice for those looking to build a low-power, cost-effective PC without sacrificing performance. At the heart of the Intel D525MW is the Intel Atom D525 processor. This processor is renowned for its energy efficiency and sufficient performance for everyday computing tasks. It's perfect for users who need a reliable system for web browsing, office applications, and media playback. The motherboard's support for DDR3 RAM ensures that your system will have adequate memory bandwidth for smooth multitasking and responsive performance. One standout feature of this motherboard is its compatibility with Intel Core 2 Duo processors. This flexibility allows users to choose between the ultra-efficient Atom D525 and the more powerful Core 2 Duo processors, depending on their specific needs and budget constraints. This versatility is a significant advantage for those looking to customize their systems for different performance levels. The Intel D525MW is designed with personal computing in mind, offering a range of connectivity options to suit various peripherals and accessories. It includes multiple USB ports, ensuring you can connect all your essential devices, from keyboards and mice to external storage and printers. Additionally, the motherboard supports a variety of expansion cards, allowing for future upgrades and enhancements to your system. Another critical aspect of the Intel D525MW is its compact form factor. This makes it an ideal choice for small form factor builds, where space is at a premium. Whether you're building a home theater PC, a compact desktop for your office, or a small server, this motherboard's design allows for flexibility and ease of installation in tight spaces. The Intel D525MW also boasts robust build quality and reliability, hallmarks of Intel's engineering excellence. Users can expect stable performance and longevity, essential for a hassle-free computing experience. With a focus on energy efficiency, this motherboard not only saves on power consumption but also reduces heat generation, contributing to a quieter and cooler system overall. In conclusion, the Intel D525MW desktop motherboard is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to build a compact and efficient PC. Its blend of flexibility, performance, and energy efficiency makes it stand out in the crowded motherboard market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast building a specialized system or someone in need of a reliable everyday PC, the Intel D525MW offers the perfect balance of features and capabilities. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.